Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT in Supersonic Blue Metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look at the trunk area. Nice size trunk here on the Grand Sport, as you can see. Lots of storage space. In the bottom here, we do have a netting. We've got storage compartment down here, as well as over on this side here. The removable target top clips into the two clips here on the sides and locks into the locks here in the back. We have the nice privacy shield here to keep your items in the trunk private. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk and we'll have a look from the back. So here it is from the back. It's got the nice circular taillights. We've got the quad tip stainless steel NPP performance exhaust. So there is valves on the two ports there that open and close based on RPM to make the exhaust louder or quieter. Some people pull the fuse for that system, which leaves the ports open, giving it a nice, deeper, louder sound. So we'll shift around. Here's your rear wheel. It's got the nice chrome wheels on it. We've got Michelin Pilot Sport AS3 Plus tires. Really nice tire. Looks like they're just about brand new. So they're in great shape. And we'll move on to the passenger side. So at the passenger side, here's the door panel. You've got your power locks, power windows, electronic door release, and a nice BOSE stereo. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in good shape, as you can see. And for our power seat, we've got power 4, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolsters, and a manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up this seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice large bolsters on the top, and we've got the embroidered Corvette logo there at the top. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and tidy. We'll check out the glove box. So we've got the books. We've got the embossed Corvette logo here on the dash. Have a look at the rest of the dash while we're here on this side. Looks good. And we'll hop out and we'll close this side up. And I'm just going to step to the back of the vehicle and we'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And here at the front, we've got the Grand Sport logoing there and our front wheels. So again, nice chrome wheels. We got the Michelin Pilot Sport AS3s, nice cross-drilled rotors. Looks great. Under the hood, we've got the LS3 6.2 liter motor, which is 430 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, everything's nice and tidy under here. Looks good. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood, and we'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. It's got the nice color matched clear lens headlights with the projector HUD bulbs. We've got the fog lights down below. We've got the nice chin strap along the front here. There's a few little minor rub marks on this, which there usually is. So we'll do our best to clean that up. There's one little guy right there and over here. So just sharing, just pointing it out. I mean, it's not highly noticeable, but they are there. We'll do the best we can to clean them up for you. In terms of issues here on the hood, there's one little rock chip right there and one tiny one right here that looks like it might have been touched up. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. Oh, there's one little guy right here as well. So we'll continue on. We'll move around to this side. Here's your other front wheel. So again, nice chrome wheels, cross-drilled rotors. We've got the gray Corvette calipers and nice Michelin tires. And same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side. So we've got our power locks. We've got 2-user programmable memory for the seats. We've got the programmable exit button. You got your power mirrors, power windows, and electronic door release. And again, that nice BOSE stereo. Here's the kick plate on the driver's side. So it's in good shape as well. And our power seat, so power 4, aft, up, down, power lumbar, side bolster, and a manual recline. And again, I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Awesome. So as we get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and tidy. Let's get in and fire this one up. All right. There we are. So in terms of kilometers, we have 38,413, nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. You got your telephone controls, so telephone answer, voice command, and telephone hang up on this side. Volume controls and track change and favorites for the radio. You've got paddle shifters here, so this is a plus, this is a minus, and same thing on this side. Up here we've got our headlights, so you've got automatic headlights, we've got fog lights, cruise controls on the end here. Over here we've got our heads-up display controls, dimmer switch for the dash. You've got a manual tilt there, and then on this side here we've got a power telescopic steering column as well, push button start for the car, and our trip computer buttons there. Down below on this side, fuel door release, trunk release is there. And I'll just turn off the headlights for a moment, and fog lights, and I'll just show you, there's your heads-up display on the windshield, so you can move the position, you can change the information that's displayed as well, so that's great. And over here is our radio, so we've got a full factory navigation, has AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth connectivity. If we hit nav, there's your full factory nav. And if we hit this button here, you do have a CD, and then the DVD is for the navigation disc. Down below, we've got our automatic dual zone climate control, so driver and passenger temp. And then you've got a pair of heated seats as well, an ashtray with a 12-volt socket. There's your 6-speed automatic shifter, cup holder, traction control on and off. And then in here, we have a 12-volt socket and a nice storage area. This guy also has pedal commander on it, world's most advanced throttle control system. So I'll just show you, that is right here. So essentially what it does is it allows you to control the sensitivity of the throttle. So you can put it in, I think that's Eco, City, Sport, or Sport Plus. And you can control the throttle. So very neat. There's your auto dimming rear view mirror with OnStar just above there, and then up top we've got the home remote garage door buttons, and then this one has the glass roof, so transparent roof as well. So we'll just hop out now with it running. We'll have a look and listen. Sound to it, and I'll just show you here from the front with the headlights on. And again, that's with the exhaust ports closed, so you know, like I said, when it's under high load over 3,500 RPM, those ports will automatically open, or you can pull the fuse and they'll stay open all the time, giving it a nice gurgly loud noise. So here's your front projection headlights and fog lights, and I'll just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Looks good. Here it is from the back. Nice sounding exhaust. Love the circular taillights on this generation. And there you have it, folks. 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT in Supersonic Blue, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.